1 cup of water. Ingredient number 2, 2.5 tablespoons of white sugar, a half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 cup, 2 quarts of oil for frying, 1/2 cup of white sugar again, and last but not least, cinnamon to make utensils to make the right measurements. Let's get started, slaves. Let's start.
Hey guys, go and wash your hand first.
It's okay, I have my hand sanitizer.
Chi, it won't work like that. You have to wash your hand and then only you can work. Otherwise, you will get some problem. Okay.
One, two, three. To begin, we set the saucepan, the small saucepan, to medium level, and we start the combination by adding the water slowly to be safe. And then we add the 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar, please, slave number 1. Nice and smooth. Let's not forget we're playing with fire. I mean, using fire. And then we add the salt. Salt, por favor. Excellent, slave. Last but not least, we add the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And we're gonna let these boil, and then we will remove from the heat. So, slave number 1, go and mix that. You want to make sure you don't use plastic on these. It's very hot. So use a wood utensil. When it comes to a boil, you must remove it from the heat. Good job. As my slave here is demonstrating, you add 1 scoop of all-purpose flour, and then we will add the boiling combination of water. She adds it in, and we will now mix the mixture until it forms into a ball. As you can see, it has formed a thickness to it. And we want to make it look like a ball. At 375 degrees Fahrenheit, we will heat the oil to fry the churros. And we are adding 2 churros. Yes, we use all of it. We are forming a pool. And now we are adding the dough into the pipe strip so we can form the churros. It's a very complicated. And now we will be adding the 1/2 cup of sugar. And of course, my personal our favorite, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon.
Hola, señorita. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me
We are
llamo
pouring
Mike.
in
Me
the
llamo
churros.
Mike.
Tasties.
¿En dónde está el baño? Feliz cumpleaños.
Oh, we need
¿Qué
the...
hora es?
Oh my god, look
¿Qué
at how
hora
cool that one
es?
looks. Make him cool looking.
La, 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 la.
Say number 1.
Me gusta la biblioteca. Vivo en la Casa Roja. Yo tengo 2 bicicletas. Muchas gracias y de nada. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Un momento, por favor. It's the 1 semester of Spanish love song. Mi mamá es bonita. Mi gato es muy blanco. Perdóneme. La 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 la. 1, 2, 3 y 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No remember how to say 11. Antonio Banderas, nachos grande y cinnamon twists. It's the 1 semester of Spanish.
And we will
Spanish
return after this short
love
break.
song.
Don't go now. Stay tuned. And now we are finished. Time for serving. Clean up, my slaves. Clean up. Everything.
Yo soy tu gominola, yo soy tu gominola, osito gomi, 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 gominola. Yo soy tu gominola, yo soy tu gominola, osito gomi, gomi, dulce gomi, gominola. Oleo gomi, 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 gominola. Gomi, 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 gominola. Bading, badoli, fiesta, banding, badoli, fiesta, breading, badoli, fiesta, fiesta pop. Bading, badoli, fiesta, banding, badoli, fiesta, breading, badoli, fiesta, fiesta pop. Yo soy tu gominola.